Holiday Inn New Orleans Superdome is close to everything, including the Smoothie King Center, the Superdome, and the French Quarter. Hello there, I'm Vegas Snola Man. Thank you for dropping into my channel. This video is a room tour of a standard double queen room on the 15th floor. The standard double queen room measures up at 338 square feet. And has a bright, well-lit modern decor. At the bedside, there was a clock and a dusty, banged-up charging area. The room came with a 42-inch HD screen that offered up a decent amount of cable channels. And this is the workstation. It's kind of cool, but there is no place to plug in your devices. Tucked in near the entryway is where you'll find your microwave, your Keurig coffee maker, and a mini fridge for your own personal use. And in the closet is where you'll find your safe, iron, and ironing board. The main room also has its own vanity area. The balcony on this room was sealed, but the view from the 15th floor was fabulous. Here's a view of the sun setting behind City Hall and the Superdome. The bathroom area was tight and there was very little counter space. The shower was very nice as far as showers go. It had a very squeaky clean look to it. The water was hot and there was plenty of pressure. It got the job done. In the lobby, there is a coffee stand and a restaurant and bar. Holiday Inn Superdome also offers a rooftop pool, a fitness center, and on-site parking. Thank you for watching this video. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Let the good times roll and tap one of these boxes up here for more New Orleans content. Hit the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.